Governo Timor-Leste oficialmente lança instalasaun Kabu Submariñu Fibra Ótika segunda né. Lançamento né halau direita husi primeiro-ministro Lansa ona iha estação aterrazem Cable Leading Station Bebonuk dili. Primeiro-ministro ateten ho Kabu Submariñu se transforma Timor-Leste e área telecomunicação onde facilita serviço público hotu.
In line with the SDP Strategic Development Program and of the non-constitutional government outlined to build a diversified economy with a particular focus on enhancing digital infrastructure, fostering social development and improving public services. With these critical nation-building objectives, Submarine Cable will enable us to provide greater access to educational resources, supporting our goal of providing high-quality education for all. Students and educators across the nation will benefit from improved connectivity, allowing for integration of these tools and the resources that are essential for modern education. In healthcare, enhanced connectivity will facilitate better medical services, ensuring that healthcare professionals can provide timely and effective care, particularly in remote areas. This aligns with our objective to improve the overall healthcare system and accessibility for all citizens. For economic diversification, reliable and high-speed internet will allow our business to better interact with their counterparts overseas, fostering economic growth and creating job opportunities. It will also support the development of new industries and the expansion of existing ones, driving our nation towards a more diversified and resilient economy. It will allow more companies to set up their operations in Timor-Leste, which will provide jobs and investment opportunities for our people. Lastly, improved digital infrastructure will enable more efficient and accessible public services. From e-government initiatives to online services, secure and reliable broadband access will play a critical role in making government services more responsive and transparent.
Ministro do Transporte e Comunicação Miguel Manetelo afirma que foi no governo constitucional toma posse e aqueles compromissos o governo nian ida ma conclui construção no instalasaun Kabu Fibra Ótika no garante ligação na internet ida a qualidade da cidadão sirahoto e a território nacional.
A foi no governo constitucional toma posse tendo a governação ona conclui construção no instalasaun Kabu Fibra Ótika no garante ligação na internet e da qualidade da cidadão sirahoto e a território nacional. Itatawag na fase ida ida na sa instalasaun ka koneksyon no sini badaran. No katak antes 2024 remata ito yung internet na may Kabu Submariñu na may ready for service. Kung ba kapasidad de internet Kabu Submariñu na desenha at bela fornece internet a capacidade de transfer dados para 27 terabit per second, para 27,000 gigabit per second, entre Timor-Leste e Austrália.
E a fatina nessa na embaixadora Austrália, mas Timor-Leste, Kathleen Wilson, congratula o governo Timor-Leste no esforço durante ne, onde realiza duni instalação lina Kabu Submariñu.
It's a great pleasure for me to be here this morning as Ambassador for Australia, representing at the Golden Boy presentation and formal launch of the Timor-Leste South Submarine Cable here today. Firstly, I commence congratulating the Government of Timor-Leste for your great leadership on such a historic and strategic nation-building project. It really is an incredible achievement.
Vice-Presidente Unidade de Negócios Solução Energia Alcatel Submarino Network Margenot Hateten, sente orgulho tebes onde representa a ASN e o lançamento Kabu Submariñu iha Timor-Leste.
Nowadays, a submarine telecommunication cable provides an almost unlimited capacity for the transport of information in comparison with other technologies. As of today, 99% of international internet traffic is carried by submarine telecom cable. The economic impact of improved internet speed are known to be large and across many industries and communities' interest.
Nia afirma presença Kabu Submariñu ne impacto bo tebes ba econômico também se melhora a velocidade da internet ne bedia ba setor e no interesse comum sira selu.